Hello, I'm Paul from Magaya. This video shows you how to install the QuickBooks Online extension into your Magaya system and connect the two programs. Follow these steps in your Magaya system. Go to the Options menu and select Communication Suite Configuration. The Extensions menu opens. Log in if it's not already saved. If it asks for permissions, check the box. Next, click Manage. Scroll to find the Magaya extension for QuickBooks Online and click the Install button. Go back to the home screen. Click the gear icon. At the top of the list of extensions, click the Configure link. Scroll through the list to the QuickBooks Online extension. Click the button Request API Key. A success message appears. Close it. Return to the Communication Suite menu. In the list of extensions, see the two rows of different buttons? Hover over the button on the left for the QuickBooks Online extension. The pop-up will say Enabled. Hover over the button on the right and click it so it will read Running. Then close your Magaya system and open it again. The extension is now installed. Next, you'll need to connect the two systems. Then you can start using it. Go to the Options menu, click Extensions, QuickBooks Online, and Configuration. The extension opens. Click the Connect button in the screen. Log into your QuickBooks Online company account. Select your company. Click Next. A success message appears. Click Continue, and now you're ready to go. And that's it. See our other videos and the Getting Started article in the knowledge base for everything you need to work with the Magaya extension for QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.